So I came today. They said that the unit is not heating. So I came here today. I opened the cover, and there's an error code here, which is 6 flashing. Luckily, I got the manual. It says on the manual right here, induce drop motor fault, or it says here. And when I check the motor, follow the wire, and the capacitor is not working. I mean, not connected. So I connected the capacitor. I don't know, man, this thing is just cold. I connected the capacitor. I guess it's not been working for so long, and we'll see what's gonna happen.